GIT workflow for cloud applications. What is a GIT workflow for cloud applications? A GIT workflow for cloud applications is the structured process teams use to manage cloud-based application code and cloud infrastructure safely using GIT. It defines how features are developed, how bugs are fixed, how cloud resources are configured, how deployments are controlled, why it matters for cloud apps. Applications run on remote servers. One bug can affect many users. Infrastructure is also code. Downtime costs money. So workflow equals reliability plus automation plus safe deployments. Why cloud applications need a proper GIT workflow? Cloud applications usually involve front-end code, back-end services, databases, cloud configuration, AWS, Azure, GCP, CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as code, Terraform, ARM, cloud formation. Without workflow, cross-mark broken deployments, cross-mark misconfigured cloud resources, cross-mark security risks, cross-mark data loss, cross-mark hard rollbacks. With workflow, check mark stable applications, check mark predictable releases, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer deployments, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for cloud applications. Common structure. Main means production ready. Develop means integration branch. Feature branches means new features. Infra branches means cloud config. Release branches means prepare deployments. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user auth, infra, AWS network. Release, version 3.0.0. Hotfix, load balancer fix. Why? Protects production. Separates app and infra. Supports parallel development. Feature branch workflow. Cloud teams. For each task, create branch from develop. Implement feature or config. Test locally or in staging. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark change infra without review. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in cloud projects. PRs are used to review business logic, review cloud configuration, run automated tests, check security rules, validate deployments. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark deployment impact, check mark infra changes summary, check mark rollback steps. Why? Prevents outages, documents infra changes, improves reliability. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark untested code. Cross-mark risky infra changes. Commit strategy for cloud applications. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add auto-scaling group config. Fix API timeout issue. Update Terraform modules. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easier rollback. Easier debugging. Clean history. Daily workflow in cloud teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop. Create feature or infra branch. Write code or config. Test in staging. Commit changes. Push branch. Create PR. Review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts. Keeps production stable. Keeps cloud resources safe. Hotfix workflow for cloud applications. When production fails, create hotfix branch from main. Fix code or infra. Test urgently. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeated failures. Example: hotfix, CDN error. Release strategy for cloud applications. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run integration tests. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 4.2.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear history. Code review culture. Cloud teams. Review focuses on security, performance, cost impact, scalability, config correctness, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better security, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in cloud workflow. Automation should build artifacts, run tests, scan for vulnerabilities, provision infrastructure, deploy automatically on every PR, run tests, run lint, run security scans, validate cloud configs. Why? Prevents broken releases, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Terraform, AWS Code Pipeline, Azure DevOps. Common cloud GIT mistakes: direct commits to main, no infra versioning, manual production changes, no rollback plan, huge PRs. Why? Risky deployments, hard debugging, poor audit trail, naming conventions, branches, feature, payment service, infra, Terraform VPC. Release, version 2.1.0. Hotfix, cloud storage bug. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix API gateway timeout issue. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How GIT workflow helps cloud applications scale. As cloud apps grow, more users, more services, more infrastructure, more risk. Good workflow. Check mark keeps systems reliable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Cloud GIT workflow is like air traffic control system. Without system, crashes. With system, safe landings. Branches equals runways. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals destination. In simple words, cloud GIT workflow means store everything in GIT, review every change, automate deployments, track history. Best strategy for cloud applications. Use check mark feature branches, check mark infra branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoiodide, CD automation. Check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits. Cross mark manual production edits. Cross mark no reviews. In cloud systems, every change affects live users. A good GIT workflow. Check mark protects infrastructure. Check mark supports automation. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark builds trust.